Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best MC4 Crimper is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with solar panel installations, ensuring secure and reliable connections that are crucial for the efficiency and safety of your solar energy system. This specialized tool is designed to perfectly attach MC4 connectors to solar cables, creating a watertight and durable seal that can withstand harsh environmental conditions, making it indispensable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike who demand precision and longevity in their solar projects. Number 5. Wirefy Ratcheting Wire Crimping Tool. Experience efficient and secure connections with our precise ratcheting mechanism. It's optimized for heat shrink connectors, ensuring consistent results every time. Our full ratcheting cycle locks connector securely in place for a perfect crimp. It's designed to maintain a perfect grip, even in challenging environments. Fine-tune the pressure for any job with the adjustable star wheel. The quick-release lever adds convenience, making precision work effortless. Work comfortably for extended periods thanks to the cushioned, non-slip grips. They offer excellent control and leverage, reducing hand strain. These tools are built with durability and user experience in mind. It's a trusted choice for reliable terminal connections. What we like. This tool offers a precise ratcheting mechanism for secure crimps and adjustable force for fine-tuning. If you're looking for a reliable tool for general electrical work and prioritize comfort during extended use, this is a great choice. Its robust design ensures durability for various projects. What people say. This ratcheting wire crimper is incredibly efficient, providing a secure and reliable crimp every time. The ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent pressure, making it easy to achieve professional quality crimps without much effort. The handles are comfortable and reduce hand fatigue, even during extended use. The tool is well constructed and feels durable, which gives me confidence that it will last through many projects. This crimping tool makes a perfect crimp every time on both standard nylon crimp connectors and heat shrink connectors. Number 4. BougeRV Solar Crimper Tool Kit. Introducing the BougeRV Solar Crimper Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for easy and accurate solar connector installation. This kit is designed to make your solar panel assembly and setup a breeze. Experience high-quality crimping every time with its accurate design. The precise molds and locking mechanism ensure consistent results for 2.546 mm superscript 2 cables, even with repeated use. Designed with you in mind, it features a humanized handle for comfortable and energy-saving operation. The included dies are conveniently stored within the handles for easy access. This tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, serving as an essential solar connector crimper and a vital part of your solar PV toolkit. The package includes 1 pair of wire crimpers, 6 pairs of solar panel connectors, and a pair of solar connector spanners, providing everything you need to get started. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for solar connector installation, featuring accurate crimping molds for quality results. If you are new to solar panel assembly or need a convenient all-in-one solution, this kit is ideal. It simplifies the process with its user-friendly design. What people say. This tool is designed to crimp MC4 connectors securely and efficiently. It features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use during extended periods. The tool ensures a solid and reliable connection, which is crucial for solar installations. Number 3. Solar Crimping Tool Kit with Connectors. Introducing our professional solar crimping tool, designed for efficient and precise solar panel cable installation. This durable tool ensures a secure connection every time. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a comfortable, non-slip handle, it's built for longevity and ease of use. The auto-lock and release mechanism makes operation effortless. Our kit includes compatible solar connectors for 2.546 mm superscript 2 PV cables. They are rated for 1000 VDC and IP67 waterproof, providing safe and reliable connections in any environment. Achieve high-quality, consistent crimps with our precise crimping mold and secure locking mechanism. This ensures efficient and reliable installation for your solar projects. This practical tool kit has everything you need for assembling and maintaining solar panel connections. It's the ideal solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The package contains one solar cable crimper, 12 pairs of male and female solar panel connectors with pins, and a pair of spanners for easy assembly. What we like. This option boasts a durable high-carbon steel crimper and IP67 waterproof solar connectors for reliable outdoor use. If you need a robust solution for solar panel connections that can withstand harsh environmental conditions, this is the one to consider. It ensures safe and long-lasting electrical connections. What people say. The crimper is well made, easy to use, and the connections have so far been reliable. This is a great product, very easy to use, and the attachments are very secure. Connectors are decent quality and the crimping tool is fine. Exactly as expected, no surprises, which is a very good thing. Number 2. Solar PV Panel Crimping Tool Kit. Introducing our professional solar crimping tool kit, designed for efficient and reliable solar panel installations. This comprehensive set ensures you have the right tools for the job. Experience a solid crimp every time with its efficient ratchet mechanism and precision machine die. The process is completed with a simple, automatic release for ease of use. Tailor the crimping power to your specific needs with the adjustable force knob. A quick release trigger allows the jaws to open at any position, offering great flexibility. Work comfortably and securely thanks to the ergonomic, non-slip handle. It's designed to provide a strong grip, even in challenging conditions. The jaw is clearly marked with numbers for AWG 14 to 10, 2.546 mm superscript 2, solar connectors. This ensures easy identification and precise crimping for your solar projects. This kit includes a high-quality crimper, a stripper, 2 spanner wrenches, and 10 pairs of solar connectors. Everything you need for your solar wiring tasks is right here. What we like. This professional kit provides a precision crimp die, adjustable force, and a clearly marked jaw for easy identification of wire sizes. If you value precision and ease of use in your solar connector installations, this tool is an excellent selection. The marked jaw simplifies the process, especially for those working with multiple wire gauges. What people say. These are good quality tools that will help me in any repairs of my solar panel cords. This kit does a great crimp and the striper was equally efficient. This crimper worked flawlessly for dozens of solar MC4 connectors from 2 different manufacturers. Number 1. iCrimp Solar PV Cable Crimping Tool Kit. Introducing the iCrimp Solar PV Cable Crimping Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for solar connector installation. This comprehensive set ensures easy and accurate assembly every time. Designed for professionals on the go, it includes a compact storage bag for effortless transportation. Take your essential tools wherever the job takes you. Our handy crimper features wire electrical discharge machining, cutting jaws with perfect polishing for precise and reliable connections. Experience superior performance with every crimp. The universal stripper is engineered for reliable cable preparation, handling insulated cables with a stripping range of 2.546 mm superscript 2. It makes preparing your wires a breeze. Equipped with a sharp blade, the pocket wire cutter delivers a clean cut with ease. Its compact design makes it simple to operate and carry around your worksite. This kit provides everything you need for solar connector installation, including a stripper, cutter, solar spanner, and solar connectors. It's the complete package for solar projects. What we like. This kit offers a complete set of tools including a stripper and cutter, all in a compact storage bag for portability. If you need a versatile and portable solution for solar connector installation, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for professionals or DIYers who need to work on the go. What people say. It makes even crimps, the cutters work well and cut completely. The strippers are of decent quality and stip the wire well. Crimper, cutter, and strippers are 10-10, this set works flawlessly. Very useful tools for PV's installation, all parts need in one place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.